Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create the bounce text effect in CapCut PC. So select text, and you can also add the bold text or text template or effects. So I'm going to select the bold text and change the text. Sorry. And resize, and then select the font style, preset style. So after that, you are going to animation, select in animation and go to bounce right here and add the audio, select sound effect, just type bounce. Alright, just drag just for the position. Alright. Here you go. This is the final effect you'll have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.